Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And make sure you turn on notifications by clicking on that bell icon. So attorney Natalia Veselnitskaya, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, just let me know below, says, I am a lawyer and I am an informant for the Russian government. Obama administration gave special entry to the U.S. Russian lawyer Natalia Veselnitskaya, who met with Donald Trump Jr. at the Trump Tower in New York in June of 2016, is now claiming she is also an informant for the Russian government. Now, this is via the New York Times. It says the Russian lawyer who met with the Trump campaign officials in Trump Tower in 2016 on the premise that she would deliver damaging information about Hillary Clinton has long insisted she is a private attorney, not a Kremlin operative trying to meddle in the presidential election. But newly released emails show that in at least one instance 2 years earlier, the lawyer Natalia Veselnitskaya worked hand in glove with Russia's chief legal office to thwart a Justice Department civil fraud case against a well-connected Russian firm. Now, Ms. Veselnitskaya also appears to have recanted her earlier denials of Russian government ties. During an interview to be broadcasted Friday by NBC News, she acknowledges that she was not merely a private lawyer, but also a source of information for a top Kremlin official, Yuri Y. Chaka, now the prosecutor general. She says, I am a lawyer and I am an informant, she said. Since 2013, I have been actively communicating with the Office of the Russian Prosecutor General. Veselnitskaya previously said in a November testimony to the Senate Judiciary Committee that she had no connection to the Kremlin whatsoever. Now, nothing about this Russian lawyer adds up. It's a deep state setup. Now, according to Fox News, Veselnitskaya met with Glenn Simpson of Fusion GPS mere hours before she and three Russians sauntered over to Trump Tower to meet with Don Jr. and a few others from Trump's campaign. She then met with Simpson again after she left Trump Tower. Now, hold on, because it gets worse. Reuters reports that the memo Veselnitskaya presented to Don Jr. at Trump Tower was actually prepared by Fusion GPS, Yes, the same firm that Hillary's camp paid millions of dollars to for the garbage Russia dossier. Now, Veselnitskaya was also given special entry to the U.S. by the Obama administration via the Hill. They say that the Homeland Security Department confirmed Friday that the Russian lawyer Natalia Veselnitskaya was granted special entry to the United States on multiple occasions in 2015 and 2016 at the request of the Justice Department. It also said Veselnitskaya eventually won a non-immigrant work visa around the time she met President Trump's eldest son in New York last summer. A Homeland told The Hill that Veselnitskaya was allowed to enter the United States on multiple occasions between September of 2015 and February of 2016 under a significant public benefit parole document requested by the Justice Department so she could participate in a court case for a client. Now, the request was done in concurrence with the U.S. Attorney's Office in New York City, which was enforcing a civil asset forfeiture case against Privezin Holdings, a company owned by Russian businessman Denis Katsby, whom Veselnitskaya represented as a private attorney in their home country. Now, Mueller still hasn't contacted Veselnitskaya, so there's that. This simply was all a setup. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. And other than that, though, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. I truly appreciate you. Peace.